I'm on a quick review on Goya Adobo All-Purpose Seasoning. Uh, we get this at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, Save a Lot. Uh, Probably get it out of the stores, but I don't know. Sure what other stores that carry it. This is one of the seasonings we definitely like around here. You use it a lot. Use it cooking pretty much everything we cook. French fries, meat, stews, vegetables, and everything. It's got a pretty nice little, got a pretty good little taste to it. You get, it's an 8-ounce size. It says made without pepper. It's got the shown chicken, hamburger, looks like a ham, and some kind of steak here. I've been using this on stuff for 3 years, probably at least 3 years. I've been buying it at Save a Lot and using it. It's got pretty good, nice little taste to it. It says Goya Adobo perfect blend of garlic, oregano, and seasonings. It's all you need to make beef, chicken, and fish. It must have been a fish. I thought it was a steak. Okay. just shake it on before cooking. A simple shake is all it takes. Like I said, it's a pretty good little seasoning. I've been using it probably at least 3 years. You get 0 calories, 0 grams of fat. Pretty good, healthy little seasoning. Use when you're doing your cooking. I mean, it's got meat here, but we use it on just about everything. Like I said, stews, vegetables, stuff like that. We're cooking here at the house. This is a Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning without pepper.